Gout is a painful form of inflammatory arthritis associated with several comorbidities, particularly cardiovascular disease. Cherries, which are rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidative bioactive compounds, are proposed to be efficacious in preventing and treating gout, but recommendations to patients are conflicting. Cherry consumption has been demonstrated to lower serum urate levels and inflammation in several small studies. It usually heals within 1 to 3 weeks, but it can return after a while. Very unpleasant. New research has shown that you can help prevent and cure it by drinking a very simple beverage twice a day. You might be able to prevent or cure your gout with this simple drink. Medicine. For a lot of people, taking medicines is part of everyday life. No one wants to take them, but when you're in pain, you're very grateful they exist. Yet it's not always the best idea to take medicine against every ailment. You see, Mother Nature has provided us with loads of natural remedies, many of which put the pharmaceutical industry to shame. The same goes for gout. There are tons of medicines that help to cure gout or relieve the pain, but research has shown there is a natural product that could potentially work much better. And you can buy it at the supermarket. Doctor. We want to emphasize that it's always best to first consult a doctor when it comes to health complaints that might be related to gout. There are many types of gout, and with every type comes a specific medicine that works best. Many people who think they have gout actually have an infection. This tends to feel the same. So, again, visit a doctor to make sure you actually have it. Juice. Lots of anti-gout medicines have uncomfortable side effects, but with this drink, those will be a thing of the past. Research has shown that drinking a glass of cherry juice twice a day could prevent and cure gout. Cherries have many benefits and are super healthy. They contain anthocyanins, which are very effective when it comes to lowering uric acid levels. On top of that, cherries also contain a natural painkiller.